Hey guys, it's Nene and I'm back with another video. Now today we're making a seafood boil Nene's way. These are just a few of the ingredients that you're going to need, but of course I'm going to put everything down below in the description. Let's jump into it. Now I like to start off by just putting my frozen seafood into some water. It doesn't take long for shrimp or fish to unthaw, so I just sit that to the side until it's ready. I go ahead and I get my eggs boiling. And then I also get my corn boiling because that doesn't take long either. And per usual, I have my little helper helping me. That's my son. He likes that pepper grinder with the light on it. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my mustard. And y'all, all of that vinegar just popped out. I always forget that first squirt is liquid. But I'm going to have to just rock with it. And I only just put mustard, salt, and pepper on my fish because I put a lot of seasoning into my breader when I bread my fish. And you're gonna rub that in, and you're gonna rub it in on both sides. And guys, I'm also gonna add more salt, pepper, and mustard to the other side as well. Now guys, I'm about to go old school. I get me a good grocery bag and I'm gonna fill it up with my cornmeal. And I touch that cornmeal just to make sure that those pieces are not rock solid. Because I know I just opened it and got it from the store, but sometimes they give you old stuff, so you gotta check. And I'm also gonna mix that with some of the seasoned Zatarains. And I'm gonna put some onion powder. I've already put my garlic powder in. I'm also gonna put some salt. I know that says sesame seeds, but y'all, I like to reuse my glass containers, so don't come for me. This is my seafood magic seasoning. And I'm also gonna come in with a generous amount of Old Bay. And again, guys, I told you I put a lot of seasoning in my seafood breader, so I don't have to put much on the fish. But this is gonna be delicious, trust the process. Go in with your fish, pat it down a little bit just to make sure it gets into that breader really good and gets into those crevices. Now we're just gonna hold the bag, close it up, and give this a really good shake. Now don't shake it too hard. You don't want to tear your fish up. We're gonna come in with our clean shrimp that should be thawed out by now. It only takes about maybe 15 minutes. And we're gonna put some lemon pepper seasoning. And pretty much all the same seasonings that we use in the fish. The magic seafood seasoning, garlic powder, all of the same seasonings that we use in the fish. Now I did add paprika to this just, of course, for the color. It makes the shrimp look really pretty. When I cook them, you're gonna see why that paprika is key. Now I'm gonna come in with just a little bit of cornstarch. That cornstarch is gonna give the shrimp pretty much just a good crust on it on the outside. It's gonna be perfect. And guys, you wanna come in and mix this up really well and make sure that cornstarch is incorporated throughout all of the shrimp. It's gonna pretty much look like a bit of a wet batter once you're done mixing it up. And this is what the outcome is going to be. It kind of almost, like I said, looks wet. But now we're going to move on to the crabs. Now, y'all, these crabs look a bit rough. They look like they've been through the trenches. But don't you worry about that, because I'm going to clean them bad boys up. And guys, this is after I done scraped everything off of it. The stuff that was on there, my mom calls them barnacles. I don't know what all that stuff is. If you find out, let a sister know down in the comments. But they look 10 times better. What you think? Now I'm gonna take them same crabs and I'm gonna put them all in my pot and put a little water. Maybe that was maybe about a cup of water. Now here's where I mess up. This stuff does not say that it's spicy, but it is. So my baby couldn't eat them because I went in and put like half of that container into the crabs. So if you don't like spicy crabs, do not put but maybe a cap full of that liquid in there. Then of course I'm gonna come in heavy with that Old Bay. I've been putting Old Bay on crabs ever since I was a little girl. It's the only way. And the thing that I love about making a seafood boil is I don't have to switch my seasons up that much. Like everything is pretty much universal. I put everything on everything when it comes to a seafood boil. All right, so now we're gonna get started with the shrimp. I'm gonna put some extra virgin olive oil and also some sweet cream salted butter in the pan. And guys, I love that noise. Like I just wanted y'all to hear that real-time sizzle. Like I love that noise. Giving you a little bit of ASMR vibes. And now I'm just making sure that my shrimp are flat down on the side because once I'm done cooking these shrimp on the one side, I'm just gonna easily flip them over. And look how beautiful and golden crispy those shrimp are. Those shrimp are the bomb. Like y'all gotta try this. Like no lie, when I say this was delicious. Like if y'all try this, please let me know what you think down in the comments because everything was delicious. And I'm also gonna just insert a link in the description as well for how I like to fry my fish. And guys, there you have it. A seafood boil Nini's way. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you later.